Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today, bit of news, giveaway, and there's also a new turbo on the market which you guys may be interested in if you're looking to go down the hybrid turbo route, which is normally the case of, in my opinion, a better turbo for track use, because normally it spools quicker, kind of gives you more of a rev range to work with. Obviously with a bigger turbo it takes longer to spool, so coming out of corners you may be slightly slower, but yeah, long story short, new turbo coming out. Anyway, on to the giveaway. So we're going to do the giveaway first. On to the giveaway. This was a giveaway for the carbon cubby hole filler from DC3D Designs. So this was available for a week. If you guys want it, on the screen now is basically what it is. So it's £30, and you can literally select any of these. So you've got the white, blue, yellow, red, black. Personally, I'm loving the yellow at the minute. If I had the yellow things onto my car, I would definitely be picking the yellow one. It looks fantastic. So yeah, this is available to you guys. If you want one of these, go there at the link in the description. But onto the giveaway, I've already copied the link. This is all random, and obviously I told you guys you need to put hashtag DC3D Designs to be entered, and here we are. So without further ado, get your YouTube comments, bam. And now we're going to start the raffle. Good luck to everyone. Hopefully you win. It is, oh my god, it's taking forever. Ben Wood. This is actually perfect. So congratulations, Ben Wood. I'm going to message you somehow. Obviously, if you see this video, message me on either Instagram, Facebook, any way possible. I'm going to send you a comment onto the giveaway video to tell you that you've won. But congratulations. He says he's picking up his first ST this Saturday. And at the time of recording this, it's Saturday. So you couldn't have planned a better person to win, I guess. Awesome. So Ben Wood, congratulations, you've won the giveaway, and you get yourself a free little cubby hole filler off from DC3D Designs. Once again, link in the description, guys, if you want it. Make sure you follow the instructions. So literally all you got to do is plug things in like I did in the previous video, and you can also change these inlays. So if you did want to in the future, or if DC3D Designs decide to do this, you can basically pop the old inlays out and put new ones in. So if you release more colours, or you fancy a colour change, you don't have to buy the whole thing again. You can actually just pop out the little inlay. Very, very simple to do. Anyway, onto the news right now. So Large Performance have released a new turbo, and it's their own turbo. It is a hybrid, so it's from, basically it's the stock turbo that's normally been bored out, with new turbines and stuff inside, new bearings, basically new everything internally, once again with a bored out side. So as you can see here, on the left side we've got the stock turbo, which is tiny. If you guys have ever held a stock turbo in your hand, it's very small, and then when you see how small the turbine is, it's minute. So obviously we've now got a much larger turbine housing. I might be using the wrong terminology. Blade housing, I don't know. But either way, we've got a much larger one on the right. This normally allows for more air and more exhaust gases to be pushed through. So obviously on the front we've got the intake, which is much larger, which means you can pump more air into it without it kind of hitting it. So overall, probably be a tiny bit slower spool time than stock, because it's obviously larger blades, which takes a little bit longer to spin up. But it will still be awesome for track compared to a bigger turbo, such as like the RT330, the S280, probably the X57 series. So yeah, interesting to see. They are currently quoting 355 brake horsepower on their website, which is insane, personally. That's mental. And then they go on to basically say at 1.3 bar they can deliver 310 brake horsepower, and I guess at maximum bar, whatever they may quote that as, they haven't actually wrote it here, they can hit 345 brake horsepower. So yeah, it's 355 brake horsepower rated. I guess that means it's kind of its breaking point almost. But they're now quoting 345 brake horsepower as kind of their figures that you'll hit with maximum boost, I guess. So yeah, it's on sale right now. Once again, I'm not associated with Large Performance in any way. I know Ross a tiny bit, but yeah, £989 with no hot side, no blow off valve, and you sending your turbo first to Large Performance. So they're doing like an exchange basis. If you don't send it, I think it adds £200. It does, it adds 200 quid. So they're rating your stock turbo at £200, which is quite a bit of money, to be honest. So yeah, that's available. Obviously there is still the X47R, which is currently at £899. Something to bear in mind. It'll be really, really cool to actually see the difference between an X47R and a Outlaw hybrid turbo. Slightly different blade designs, but otherwise it's a hybrid turbo that's been bored out to an inch of its life. Used for mainly, I would say once again, used for mainly track use because it spools quicker, but obviously you can use this on road. It's a very, very quick spooling turbo, and an amazing package either way. So either one you buy, worth doing. But anyway, that's going to be the end of the news for today. There's not much happening right now because of obviously lockdown and stuff. So yeah, if you guys have any products that you want me to look at in the future, pop them in the description. I'll take a look. But yeah, this turbo is the big one currently. Obviously there's the S280 on sale by a lot of people now. TRS Performance seems to be getting a lot of marketing done, or free marketing done by potential customers and customers. So they're kind of hot at the minute, we'll say. But obviously all the companies go through stages of being the one to go to. So yeah, check out TRS Performance as well. Apparently they're the best at tuning currently. Who knows? But yeah, either way, in the future, I've still got this to do. Sorry. I'm sorry. I've been very busy. A very busy time in my life right now. So I have still got this to do. Obviously, that means I have to take my whole crossover and intake out. So it's a little bit of a big job. Obviously, weekends, I need my car. And during the weekdays I'm too tired to just go out there and strip my car to pieces. But I promise you I will do it. That video is coming, so the intake temps video is coming, and finally the decap video will come at some point in the future. And once again, I'm trying to keep content going a little bit, but I don't want to just keep pushing content out for you guys without it being informative or helpful, or just a funny video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe down below. Leave a comment in the description for things you want me to check out, things that you think I should stick on my car. I want to get more into like the testing side of things and see if I can actually see differences between certain items. So if you guys have any ideas, pop them in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.